Hello, guys. Hope all are doing great in their life, moving towards their goal with a purpose, with a determination, and with a ambition to do something in life. आज का जो स्टोरी है बहुत बहुत ही नॉर्मल स्टोरी है, कॉमन स्टोरी है, पर बहुत इफेक्टिव है। जापान के गांव में एक आदमी था जो कि ही वॉज अ वॉन्डरर, ही वॉज अ यू से ट्रैवल बफ था। ही यूज टू ट्रैवल विलेज टू विलेज, गांव टू गांव, सिटी टू सिटी, बट ही वॉज इन जापान। वो जब ट्रैवल करता था गांव के अंदर तो उसका एक ही काम था, वो किसी से बात नहीं करता था, वो किसी के पास ज्यादा बैठता भी नहीं था, वो किसी के पास ज्यादा गॉसिप भी नहीं करता था। खाना मिल गया उसको और उसका एक ही काम था, ही यूज टू लाफ। एंड व्हेन पीपल यूज टू आस्क हिम दैट व्हाई आर यू लाफिंग सो मच, ही वुड लाफ मोर, और भी हंसने लग जाता था वो। ऐसा नहीं था कि पागल था, बट हिज लाफ वॉज सेंसिबल, क्योंकि अगर हम लोग ऐसे किसी को देखे हंसते हुए तो आदमी सोचेगा पागल है। बट जो आदमी था, ये जो आदमी था, उसका नाम था होताई। होताई जो आदमी है, ही वॉज नॉट लाफिंग लाइक अ पागल, ही वॉज लाफिंग विद अ सेंस, एंड ही वॉज लाफिंग एंड लाफिंग एंड लाफिंग। आस्ते आस्ते ये हैबिट हो गया कि होताई जहां पर भी खड़े हो जाता था हंसने के लिए, पीपल विल स्टार्ट गैदरिंग अराउंड हिम। 1 2 3 4 5 6 ऐसा आदमी लोग जमा हो जाने लगते थे। एंड स्लोली दे ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड लाफिंग अलॉन्ग विथ हिम, क्योंकि उनको वो लाफ में एक अलग मजा मिलने लग गया, एक अलग फन मिलने लग गया, एक अलग सेटिस्फैक्शन मिलने लग गया। आई डोंट नो व्हाट, बट पीपल स्टार्टेड गेनिंग समथिंग विच वॉज नॉट सीन विजिबल. But whenever he used to travel in any village, people used to see that he comes to their place where they are sitting and all that. And when he starts laughing, and they feel that laugh is contagious, and they start laughing along with him. Why are all the people laughing? Nobody knows. I mean, it's ridiculous. This man is strange. Why we are laughing? Many people questioned each other, but at the end of the day, they had no answer. बट यस, उनके पास एक कंक्लूजन था कि चलो हंस के तो अच्छा लगा, चलो जो हम लोग ने 15 मिनट 20 मिनट हंसा वो हमको बहुत अच्छा लगा, एंड नाउ वी आर फीलिंग वेरी लाइट फ्रॉम विद इन. दे फाउंड दैट देयर सेंस ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग इज गेटिंग क्लियर. दे फाउंड दैट नाउ दे कैन सी थिंग्स फ्रॉम अ डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव. दे फाउंड दैट नाउ व्हेन दे टॉक टू पीपल दे आर मोर लाइट. दे फाउंड दैट व्हेन दे गो होम आफ्टर दिस laughing session, they found themselves relaxed. They found themselves little bit unheavy, जैसा कुछ बैगेज उतार दिया हो. स्लोली ये हो गया कि people would ask होताई to come back to their village again fast, and he will move on laughing to another village. So his job was like this, laughing. He was spreading laughter, he was spreading happiness, he was spreading smile on the face. He was spreading the feeling of light from inside by laughing outside, so that people can relate their life with laughter and how important it is, which people understood later, which people understood after some more time, when he became a frequent traveler in these villages of Japan where he was living, and his only purpose was to spread laughter. It is to be noted that Japan mein nobody has remembered any other people with such a respect who used to only laugh. आज भी अगर आप बड़े बड़े होटलों में या इंडिया में ही वो होताई का एक स्टैचू है जिसको हम बुद्धा के नाम से जानते हैं, और वो एक लाफिंग बुद्धा जिसको बोलते हैं, दैट लाफिंग बुद्धा is the Hotai of Japan, who used to spread laughter, and he dedicated his whole life in doing this task. And उसका जो क्या बोलते हैं, उसका जो impact people के दिमाग में रह गया जापान के उसमें, that after his death also people started putting his photos in hotel rooms, in houses, in big resorts, in common places, so that people, when they see it and they feel relaxed, they feel like they are shedding their baggage of mind, and they feel like laughing or whatever. So Hotai was that man who was spreading laughter free to everybody in his village or surrounding villages whenever he was moving and traveling and in his lifetime. Now, this Hotai was a unique person. There is no other human being who has made a name of himself, a respect of himself, only by laughing. No talk, no gossip, no jhagda, no arguments, nothing. So, sometimes it is very much better also to find that very simple route to be light from within and to experience a happy life. I am sure in every household in many countries, this statue of Hotai or the statue of posters of Hotai are kept so that people feel relaxed, people feel light, and people feel a feeling of laughter from within when they see this statue. And of course, there is a belief that whenever you keep this statue of Hotai, the laughing Buddha, in simple terms, people feel that yes, the aura, the ambience, the what you say, the experience comes out, and people feel relaxed and calm and composed. I'm sure the message must have gone through my video that laughter is the best medicine was not told just for the sake of telling. It must be having a very important meaning, and if we try to imbibe this habit in our daily life, I'm sure life will become more easy instead of just grumbling and showing temperament and showing anger. So that is apart. Let us continue to experience the laughter therapy of Hotai and try to bring the same thing in our life also, because there is no harm doing it. I'm sure it is only benefiting to ourselves. Thanks a lot for listening. I'm sure you will like this topic, and you must have liked this topic, and let us see you in the next video.